Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PNC online banking, complete guide step by step clearly.
To register for PNC online banking, start by visiting the official PNC website.
Look for the sign on button, usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign on button to reveal the drop-down menu. Select Enroll in Online Banking from the list of options. You will be directed to the enrollment page. Here, you're required to enter your PNC account details. Input your account number in the designated field. Next, provide your social security number or tax identification number. Select your date of birth from the drop-down menus. After entering the required information, click on the Continue button. You may need to verify your identity via a verification code sent to your registered mobile phone or email. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the appropriate field. Proceed by clicking the Continue button again. Now, you will need to create your unique username. Choose a strong password that meets PNC's security requirements. After you've set your username and password, proceed to the next step. Review the terms and conditions provided by PNC. Make sure to read all the information carefully before agreeing. Once you agree to the terms, check the box and click the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your successful enrollment. Now, you can log in using your new username and password. Explore the features available in your PNC online banking account. If you encounter any issues during the registration process, customer support is available for assistance.
Congratulations, you are now registered with PNC Online Banking and ready to manage your finances conveniently.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.